What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope we're doing well. We're going to go to our friend Solana. We're up 70% on the trade signal we gave in the Discord. Currently sitting at $36, up 4.7 on the day. Same market cap, 15.36 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.27 billion. So as you can see right here, here's our break-even entry. Woo! Nice juicy 70% at the current price. So we're continuing to push up. What we're looking at right now is potentially a microwave 5. The target would be the 618 at 37.32. Now, if Bitcoin continues to push up, of course, Solana can also continue to push. But we do have a nice 5-wave move off this wave 4 low, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. These micro counts can be inaccurate sometimes, so that's why I'm saying if Bitcoin continues to push up, Sol may follow, but we do have 4-hour bearish divergence. On the RSI, we'll quickly open up the money flow index. Yeah, we're looking okay on the money flow. So if we pop over to our next chart, we are pushing up into a major level of resistance in between $34 and $36. We have pushed up to the top of our yellow box here. So if we were to break this significantly, there is a little bit of resistance around $38, but your next major level, in my opinion, all the way up at about $42 to about $46. Would be incredible to see Sol push all the way up to those prices before pulling back. But we are starting to print a bearish divergence on the daily, so do keep an eye on that. But it's looking really good. We're starting to break out. We love to see it. We're absolutely crushing it on this trade. So if we do pull back from here, I'll give you a target zone for a potential wave 2, which could offer us another long opportunity. Even though we're in trades in the Discord, if there's another opportunity, I do post the entry. So if we were to pull back from here, your target zone would be in between the 50%, which is at $27, and the 78.6, which is at $21 for a wave 2 pullback. But until we start to correct, we don't really need to drop in that target zone until we have a clear sign that we are pulling back. Until then, we can push a little bit higher if Bitcoin does continue to push up. Our take profit 2 is at $38, which would be a juicy gain of probably like 80%. Pretty close. Yeah, 82%, 80%. Absolutely incredible for our friend Sol. So that's what I'm looking at. We are at a major resistance level, so we could definitely pull back from here. Extremely overbought. But if we do just continue to explode, then I would look for resistance in between $42 and $47. We're currently in juicy trades for Solana. Our Gala trade is up over 50%. Our Ethereum trade's up over 10%. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My signals are $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Daily crypto analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups, as I mentioned, we're killing it on 3 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Forex signals and Forex analysis. We're looking to get in silver and gold, currently killing it on US oil. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex. My exact trade setups for only $10. You spend $10 every single day. All links down below, and I'll see you. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.